There are a million detox and cleanse programs out there, and it's hard to even know where to start. Coming up, I'll tell you which cleanse I've seen produce the best results. I've studied natural health and healing for over 20 years. I've seen a lot of fad detox programs come and go, and most of them are just a complete waste of time. But our 5-day liver cleanse is different, and the one I use and recommend the most. You're exposed to so many toxins in the food that you eat, the water that you drink, and the air that you breathe. Then this stuff gets into your body. It can really make you feel awful. Your liver is your organ that's supposed to filter out the toxin, but it's really easy for it to become overwhelmed, congested, and bogged down. If you often feel fatigued, like you have no energy or your digestion is sluggish, or even if your skin doesn't look as radiant as you'd like, these are all signs that your insides aren't in perfect harmony. The Liver Cleanse Kit is designed to rejuvenate your liver and help you feel re-energized. It's a 5-day program that combines our best organic liver support supplements with a plan for a healthy organic diet. We get a lot of feedback from people who try it and feel incredible. They tell us they have more energy, they feel lighter, their skin looks healthy and radiant, they even say their focus is sharpened and their mental well-being is enhanced. And you don't have to put your life on hold with this cleanse. It's a gentle but effective program that anyone can do, young or old, healthy or unhealthy. It even comes with a full money-back guarantee. If you don't feel better, we'll happily give you your money back. No questions asked, nothing to lose. Hundreds of thousands of people have experienced the benefits of liver cleansing. Now is your chance to order the Liver Cleanse Kit for yourself and find out what everyone is so excited about. Get started today and feel better with the Liver Cleanse Kit.